अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हो बच्चों आप सब? उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे और खैरियत से होंगे। बच्चों आज का मेरा टॉपिक है A to Z अल्फ़ाबेट। आज मैं आपको A to Z अल्फ़ाबेट लिखना, पढ़ना और कुछ कलर्स नेम बताऊंगी। ये देखिए, ये है मेरे पास ब्लैक कलर, दिस इज़ अ पिंक कलर, दिस इज़ अ पैरेट ग्रीन कलर, दिस इज़ अ रेड कलर, this is a sea green color, this is a orange color and this is a purple color, this is a blue color। ये देखिए बच्चों, ये है मेरे पास पिंक कलर। चलें अब पिंक कलर से हम लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं। A for apple, A for apple, this is a B for ball, B for ball, this is a C for cat, this is a C for cat, this is a D for dog, D for duck, this is a E for elephant, this is a E for elephant, this is a F for fish, this is a F for fish, this is a G for gate, G for gate, this is a H for hen, this is a H for hen, this is a I for ice cream, this is a I for ice cream, this is a J, ठीक है, J for jug, this is a J for juice, this is a K for kettle, this is a K for kite, this is a L for lion, this is a L for lemon, this is a M for monkey, this is a M for mango, this is a N for nose, this is a N for nail, this is a O for orange, this is a O for owl, this is a P for parrot, this is a P for pigeon, this is a Q for quill, this is a Q for queen, this is a R for rose, this is a R for rabbit, this is a S for star, this is a S for sparrow, this is a T for tiger, this is a T for tomato, this is a U for umbrella, U for umpire, this is a V for van, V for van, this is a W for watch, this is a W for watch, this is a X for x-ray, this is a X for x-ray, this is a Y for yo-yo, this is a Y for yarn, this is a Z for zoo, this is a Z for zebra। आई होप बच्चों आज का टॉपिक आपको पढ़ना, लिखना, कलर्स नेम बताना पसंद आया हो तो आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, वीडियोस को लाइक करना है। थैंक यू।